Good morning, students. Today's topic is Bluchery Textiles, which is for the third semester student, and the subject is Traditional Indian Textiles. In this presentation, we are going to learn about the history, origin, and the weaving process of Baluchari textiles or Baluchari woven fabrics. So let's start with the presentation. First is introduction. The Baluchari sari originated in West Bengal. So the place of Baluchari origination is the West Bengal and is mainly worn by the women of India and Bangladesh. It is a hand woven sari using richly dyed silk with intricate motifs depicting Indian mythology woven onto its large pallu. So the sari of the pallu is decorated or designed with the Indian mythology design, for example Ramayana or Mahabharat, and the rich colors are used on the silk dyed fabric with the intricate designs. Baluchari takes a week to be woven, so the time for weaving of Baluchari sari is takes a mostly 1 week, and the craftsmen are largely centered in Murshidabad. The design are mainly from Ramayana and Mahabharat and are worn as a sign of aristocracy and status. They are indeed conspicuous items. Origin and history. The Baluchari sari traces its origin to West Bengal. The name Baluchari came into existence because the weaving of these saris started in a small village called Baluchar in the Murshidabad district of West Bengal around 500 years ago. The origin place of Baluchari is village Baluchar, which is located in the West Bengal, and the process of weaving was started before 500 years ago. Due to some natural calamities, the weaving setup was then moved to Bishnupur from Baluchar. So some natural calamities which are not favorable for the weaving of this sari. So the procedure of weaving can be transferred to the Bishnupur village, which is located in Baluchar, and the industry grew tremendously there after the British rule. So what is the making process of Baluchari, or what is the weaving process of Baluchari sari is as follow. Manufacturing a Baluchari sari is a time consuming process. It requires extremely good craftsmanship and takes around a week to weave one sari. These are hand woven and use a purest of yarns depending on the material. These were originally woven only using the purest of silk threads. However, as time went by, cotton fabric also used to weave the Baluchari sari. The mulberry silkworms are cultivated through a process called sericulture, and the silk yarns are extracted from their cocoons. These silk yarns are made smooth and colorful by boiling them in hot water and soda and then treating it with acid color dye. After that, the yarn is stretched to make it tight and strong enough to be woven into a sari. The complex yet beautiful process of weaving the motifs and embroidery comes next. The raw designs drawn on paper first, then punched back into the saris. The colors used these days while weaving Baluchari sari are bright and cheerful. A lot of environment friendly items are being used to weave Baluchari sari today. Banana plant stems, bamboo trees, and natural products like flour dye, fruit dye, neem leaves, turmeric leaves, and dried twigs are used in the weaving process. So the weaving process of Baluchari sari and the colors or pigments which was used in Baluchari sari is basically naturally extract from the fruits or different types of turmerics and leaves from the flowers. Story behind the design. The Baluchari sari are known for their intricate designs and handwork on them. No other sari uses as many mythological design as the Baluchari sari. They are dominated by stories and characters from epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. These characters give a royal look to the Baluchari sari. Saris depicting the story of Lord Krishna. explaining the Bhagavad Gita to Arjun is one of the most popular design of this sari. So what are the interesting fact about the Baluchari? Baluchari sari is mainly worn by zamindar and women from upper class households in Bengal during festive occasions and weddings. This sari was one of the national award winner among the main weaving styles in the year 2009 and 2010, presented by Honorable President of India Pranab Mukherjee.